I'm Braxton Dockery,
I'm Kodee, Eads.
and today we'll be talking about disciplinary vocabulary in physical education, specifically K through 12. What is disciplinary vocabulary? Disciplinary vocabulary are words specifically needed to better understand overall physical education. The first stage that we'll be discussing is K through 3 for disciplinary vocabulary. We see that in the early stages of elementary, we teach through simplified words like run, jump, and hop. This is important because these words all mean different things when used. For example, if we are doing an activity and the instructions are to sprint, we don't need the students jogging because they don't understand the proper definition.
We also see similar words like jumping and hopping. Jumping is with 2 feet and hopping is only on 1. Students understanding this will help them with activities. If the activity is to jump, they can jump, and if it's to hop, they can hop. But if they mix these up, it could ruin the activity.
Next, we transition into upper elementary. This is 4th through 5th grades. During these stages of education, the students have mastered basic definitions and have proven they are ready to dive into more complex vocabulary. These definitions are meant to build upon previously learned definitions. For example, students at this stage will learn definitions like force and power. These can be used when building upon previously learned words like sprint. For example, if the teacher was to say, students, remember when you were sprinting, you should apply force into the ground so that you generate more power, and as a result, you will run more quickly. This can apply for other activities such as jumping as well.
Now we get into middle school. Students will dive even deeper into the vocabulary, however, transitioning from game-centered activities to more sports and skill-related activities. Words like circuit training, which is a workout with a bunch of different stations, and interval training, which is a workout with a work time and your rest time. Students will apply these to their sports, and if they're not into sports, they will apply these in their workouts throughout the rest of their lives.
Lastly, we transition to high school. Here we see that students are at their max level of disciplinary vocabulary. At this stage, the vocabulary transitions into more health-related terms rather than your activity definitions. Some of these terms include body mass index, body composition, cardiovascular fitness, and assessment of physical activities. The reason for this transition is due to the fact that high school PE is no longer centered around tuning students' fine motor skills. They are more centered on understanding the body and overall health.
In closing, these definitions for K through 12 allow students to maximize their overall potential in the classroom setting and set up for a lifelong love for fitness.